Okay.
Yeah. On a split rim, the rim, the bead fits in that groove like that. So it's really important to clean this groove out and make sure this is clean and it's not rusted or compromised, you know, from a bend or something. And make sure this is clean, free of debris or rust, so that when you put it together, this snaps in. What happens when people get hurt is they have mud in here or rust, and they just put air in it, and this isn't really seated well, and it snaps off. They changed these things for years without cages, just on the ground next to the freeway. So there's really no problem doing it as long as you're careful a little bit and think about what you're doing. No, you know, I mean, you don't have to have a cage to do it. And this has to, since it comes straight out, makes a 90-degree turn, I have to put it together kind of from the opposite side. This really isn't important to see if we fight this thing in. There it goes.
Did you straighten them all like you wanted?
The rims, no, that one has a little bit of dent in it. Now, let me stick it down here. See, regularly there wouldn't be that 90-degree turn, and you could slide them on parallel, you know, on. But since we have to, that's 90-degree bend, we have to do it this way, which makes it more difficult. Tires are all about beating on everything a little bit. You don't think you're gaining any, but you really are.